Hello everybody, this is Lyles and I am showing you how to make your own mayonnaise. Oh, it's so good, it's so easy to make, and you can find all the ingredients in your house. It's really simple. The most important thing is oil. Make sure you use a neutral oil, an oil that doesn't have a strong taste to itself, so it doesn't affect your flavor of the mayonnaise. This is considered a double recipe. You can double it, halve it, depending on how much mayonnaise you want. Uh, this is going to fill most of this cup, probably about 3/4 of the way. So that's plenty of mayonnaise for most people, I think. But you're going to need 2 eggs. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of white or red vinegar. Doesn't matter what kind, really. Just your preference of vinegar taste. 2 tablespoons of water. Make sure that it's neutral water. Don't use alkaline water or anything that has its pH altered, because it will affect the acidity of the other ingredients, and will alter the taste and maybe the shelf life of the mayonnaise. So you want to just use regular purified water. 2 cups of oil, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Again, it's a personal preference. You can use Dijon, you can use coarse ground, yellow, even Grey Poupon if you want to be fancy. Anywhere between a quarter to a full teaspoon of salt. This is black lava salt, that's why it's so dark. And a teaspoon of lemon juice. I like to use the dry stuff, the pure lemon, because it tends to have a stronger flavor, and it doesn't water down the whatever you're using it for. So I tend to like to use the dry stuff, but it's up to you. You can use fresh lemon juice, or you can use the stuff that comes in a bottle. It doesn't matter. And I just did like a little shake of cayenne pepper in there too, just to give it a little kick to it. So that's all you need. You can omit the lemon and the mustard too if you like. I think they enhance the flavor of the mayonnaise a lot more, but it's up to you. I mean, it's your mayonnaise. You can make it to whatever taste that you want it. So we get started by taking our eggs. Just cracking them in the... And we're going to take, you can use a hand blender, or you can use a food processor. Both will have the same results. I like using a hand blender because it's a cup and it'll just go right in the fridge when I'm done. So you want to blend this, get it nice and mixed up for about 15-20 seconds. Okay. Now you want to add your ingredients here. Like so. Give it another quick mix. All right. Now here's the key part right here. Oh, oops, forgot the vinegar. Okay. So here's the thing. The whole way that mayonnaise works is emulsification. So it's creating a bubble mixture within the protein fibers of the egg and the oil, and that's what gives it its thick consistency. In order to get that achieved, you want to run this on high and then slowly add the oil. It's like you're gonna see it thickening up real fast. Now this is a common thing that happens too. If it doesn't thicken up on you, all you have to do is let it sit for about a few minutes and then just blend it again and it will thicken up for you. So if it's watery, if it looks watery, do not worry. Just wait a little bit and then just blend it again. And there you have it. Oh, that's the best stuff right there. Well, I hope you enjoy this video. It's very, like I said, it's very easy to make. Anybody can do it. Oh, and this mayonnaise is the best tasting mayonnaise you'll ever have. All right. Laters.